actually, in last day, I have discussed about the very basic things about the PN junction diode, P-type semiconductor, like these things with the CSC people. So today we are going to discuss about the basic electronics these things. The analog electronic circuit for the CSC, the course code is CSC 301, which is almost similar with the course of the syllabus, the basic electronic syllabus ASH 305 for the CS electronics people, and for the basic electronics engineering ASH 303 for the agriculture people. So for and these three syllabus having the unit 1 and unit 2 are almost same. So that's why I have given a chance to make a common platform for particularly for these two units. So today I am going to discuss about the unit number 1 again once again, because in my earlier class we are not able to discuss thoroughly, and there is just one kind of verbal discussion. So regarding these things, so now I am presenting one paper book regarding this. So it is can. So Himanshu is now presenting. Himanshu, please stop to present. So then it is my possible for me to present. Okay, thank you. So तुम लोग ये प्रेजेंटेशन मेरा देख पा रहे हो? इज इट क्लियर? नहीं, इसको और जूम करना है
सर, थोड़ा सा जूम कर दीजिए।
थोड़ा सा जूम करना है। इज इट क्लियर?
हाँ सर।
Anyone can respond? Clear na? Okay, fine, thank you. So ultimately I am starting from the extrinsic semiconductor. So earlier we have a familiar idea about the intrinsic semiconductor. So where semiconducting material having a different from the conducting material as well as the non-conducting material. That means in case of insulator. But in case of doping concentration with respect of doping, that means with respect of intrinsic semiconductor can behave as a extrinsic semiconductor on the basis of the doping. So one is the silicon doping and another is the germanium doping. So with respect of these things, we can switch between two impurities, and these two impurities and nobody are based on N-type material due to the concentration of the high concentration of electron, and whereas in case of the hole, that means the deficiency of electron, that can be defined as the P-type of semiconductor. So if in case of P-type, N-type semiconductor, to increase the number of the conduction band electron in the intrinsic semiconductor. That means we have an idea about the in a particular material there is any materials of there is a band gap concept. Band gap means that in case of insulator or semiconductor material, there is a band gap between the conduction band as well as the valence band. But in case of metal, there is ultimately a overlap between these two things. So if there is a slightly band gap between the increase the number of conduction band electron, that means there the uppermost band, it is known as the increase the number of electrons in the uppermost band, that means in the conduction band, it will make a N-type concentration. That means the higher concentration of electron, and it will make a pentavalent impurity. Some kind of example for the pentavalent efficiency or pentavalent electron, as we have already discussed in our last class, still we are now discussing today, just like arsenic, phosphorus, bismuth, antimony, we can dope these kinds of material in the semiconductor like silicon, or in case of semiconductor like germanium. In that case, we will make it is a in N-type material. So this is a one kind of figure diagram regarding those things. That means that one electron, which is almost free, and this free electron can easily donate by applying some amount of electric field or is it clear? तुम लोग बीच बीच में रिस्पॉन्स करते जाना, नहीं तो मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा।
Sir, आपका
Sir, your voice is lagging, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, voice is not clear. Hello, আমি পরে কল করছি ক্লাস।
Sir, your
Can you
voice
please
is not
turn on
clear.
the mic?
Sir, voice is not clear. So is it whether my voice is audible or slide is clear? Please respond. Unmute your mic and please respond. Anyone can unmute your mic. Slide is clear, but mic को unmute कर लो, unmute करके response कर लो kindly.
So voice is lagging.
Sir, still
Voice is lagging, na?
Still. Yes, sir.
Still it is lagging.
Yes, sir.
And slide it is coming. Slide
Slide is clear,
Yes,
sir, but
sir.
your voice is not clear. Slide is clear.
slide is clear, but voice is lagging because of maybe due to the network connectivity issue. So that's why. We are facing these kinds of trouble. And okay, so now in case of N-type material, there is again two kind of carrier or transport carrier, means that is a one kind of majority carrier as well as there is a minority carrier. Suppose in case of N-type material, in that case the majority carriers, that means the predominant role is playing by the electron, whereas and the minority carrier is defined by the holes. Whereas in the opposite scenario, so if it is considered that is a p-type material, so in that case the main role will be played by the majority carrier, and in that the majority carrier will be your holes, whereas the counter one, that is the minority carrier, will be your electron. So now we come to the second segment, that means the p-type semiconductors. So in case of p-type semiconductor, the increase the number of hole in the intrinsic semiconductor, that means, so number of hole means ultimately you are decreasing the number of the electrons. So that means by a trivalent impurity atom. So trivalent impurity atom means you can use the boron, you can use indium, you can use the gallium. So these kinds of material you can be used as a trivalent impurity atom, and by these kinds of material if you doping, so with respect of doping, with these atoms are known as the acceptor, and due to this the material will be that means the silicon will switch to a p-type semiconductor. Okay, so this is the structure or corresponding figure scenario with respect of these things. The boron is at the middle point, and there is a surrounding the silicons, and with respect of the surrounding silicons, then one electron is a deficiency of electron. So because of this, the deficiency of electron is there. This is ultimately known as the hole from the boron atom. That means the deficiency, one kind of, if there is some kind of deficiency in a electron, it can be considered as a creation of hole. So ultimately it is a one kind of creation of hole, and due to these holes, if the number of doping will be increased, then automatically there will be increased number of hole. Then automatically the material will switch to a p-type material. So this is a one kind of example, and the same scenario we have already discussed earlier, that what is in case of what is the p-type majority carrier and minority carrier. In case of p-type material, there is some kind of definition, example like these things, and now we are going to make a scenario. That means how it is possible if
voice lag.
The voice is not audible.
It is lagging.
You can consider one silicon is there. Hello, anyone can respond.
So voice lag, sir.
Please unmute and response. वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है, अभी आ रहा है क्या?
आ रहा है सर, अब आ रहा है. बीच में कट जा रहा है, पूरा खाली हो जा रहा है. सर नेटवर्क इशू है, बीच में कट जा रहा है.
हेलो, हाँ बोलिए. Okay, can we approach our vice chancellor, sir? Regarding this issue, okay, I have already talked, and he will just try to manage from your side. He asked me to try to manage from your side. It is possible, if it is possible, or you may convey this message to the Rajasthan regarding this issue. So that's why I have already conveyed the message. So and I have already seen. I have not discussed this issue with him directly to contact with the direct. So, where? Okay, I will try. I will try to meet him. So, still. Yes. That's why I'm requesting. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, then I can contact with the. Actually, accommodate all the 600 people. Okay, let's check. London College, I communicated. But no, I have mailed. But they, in that case, we think that remaining portion of the student, if there is a student is there, then maybe shifted to different cities. Major city is, if it is Silchar, if it is in the Silchar. But still it is the 300 kilometer. So that is the big problem. Okay, sir. Can I talk to you, sir? Actually, I am taking the class online. So after lagging. वॉइस आ रहा है क्या अभी?
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन, आ रहा है?
हाँ sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So now the basic structure that means in that case, when we make a PN junction diode, then automatically in that case PN junction, in between these two there is a region, one is the junction is formation and this junction is known as the PN junction. So in that PN junction the randomly drift the free electrons, that is when it is directly moving to the n-type region, and the n-type region the higher concentration of the electron that can move toward the p-type region, and due to this there is a one kind of recombination, and due to this recombination there will make a depletion region. And now it is clear from that figure and figure number B, and you have clearly this from there is making a one kind of depletion region. So ultimately the depletion region,
Sir, हमें कुछ
बोलो।
ऑफ हो गया, प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हो गया
बोलो बोलो
सर, प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हो गया, हमें कुछ
क्या हो
दिख
रहा
नहीं
है?
रहा।
अभी दिख रहा
प्रेजेंटेशन
है?
ऑफ हो गया, हमें कुछ दिख नहीं रहा। नहीं सर,
मेरा तो प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पे चल रहा है। और कोई
दिख रहा है सर?
हमारा ऑफ है सर।
सर हमारा भी ऑफ है सर, यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है।
दिख नहीं रहा?
पर दिख रहा है सर, दिख रहा है।
दिख रहा है सर?
हाँ दिख रहा, तो मैं मुझे तो ओके मैंने फिर से स्टार्ट
नहीं दिख रहा है सर, नहीं दिख रहा।
अभी नहीं दिखेगा, अभी फिर से मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? एक मिनट थोड़ा वेट करो। अभी देखो आ रहा है कि नहीं?
यस सर,
आ रहा है सर, अभी आ रहा है।
ओके फाइन, थैंक यू।
आ रहा है सर, आ रहा है।
Okay, thank you. So that means in that case this is a one kind of n-type region and this is the p-type region, and in between these two there is a one kind of depletion region. Depletion region means ultimately there is a creation of in between the transformation of area. Transformation of area means that there is a huge number of concentration in the n-type region. This is the electron, and there is a huge number of concentration of holes in the p-type region. They are trying to push from one side to another side due to the attraction of opposite polarity, and due to the
ए भगवान का कदनी
enough, then it will very tough to make a current, further movement of current by even by applying some external applied field also. So in case of applied field you can use the battery voltage, and in by voltage you can apply some threshold voltage, and due to this voltage there is a current continuously increase. So now if we think about the what is the scenario for the depletion region, so and what is the corresponding band diagram, this is very important. So before to discuss about the IV characteristic, one is the energy band diagram of a PN junction. So in case of energy band diagram of a PN junction, you will see that the energy corresponding to the p-type material or p-type region, mainly p-type region, in that case the if it is a neutral position or the vacuum condition, then both region are almost equal. But when they are in a contact position, p-type and n-type material are in a contact position, then automatically there will be a band bending. Band bending means there is a conduction there will be a conduction. Okay, fine. If actually someone tried to present, so that's why it was so that's why the problem is coming. So I'm requesting anyone not don't try to present, you just listen. You can open your mic, and better to switch up your video, because of that in that case video that will ultimately the bandwidth take much more, and that will automatically slow down. So I am requesting to switch off, that means the put in a video mode, and some of Ashama Banawar, he had already opened his video. So you just, I'm requesting you, please turn off the camera. So in that case, it will consume the less amount of and don't try to share. So ultimately I am presenting. So that's why if anyone try to present, in that case automatically it will be makes a trouble for me also, and as well as others cannot. And now Bipin is trying to present. राजेश बर्मन इज ट्राई टू प्रेजेंट. बेटा अभी ट्राई तुम प्रेजेंट करना बंद कर दो, मुझे थोड़ा बोलने दो, बाद में तुम प्रेजेंट करना बाकी दोस्तों को जो प्रेजेंट करना है. राजेश बर्मन प्लीज स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. Please wait. Okay, now is it visible for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. So in that case, that means when it will make a p-type and n-type region, then automatically there will the conduction band, the minority carriers in case of p-type region is electron, and whereas in case of n-type region there is a majority carriers is electron, and due to this there is a electron repulsion, and due to this repulsion there is a transformation. And on the opposite scenario, this is the valence band. In case of valence band p-type material, the huge number of holes is there, and as a minority carriers, the very least number of holes is there. So ultimately there is a transformation, and due to this transformation there is a depletion. This is the, if you see the second picture, and in that picture you will clearly visible the ultimately the conduction is band is bending from p-type region to n-type region. That means the tendency of curve or slope is coming. That means there is a, this is known as the band bending, and this band bending is occurs due to the make a p-n junction or depletion region. And due to that there is on the basis of polarity we can tune this band, or on the basis of the by making a material from switch from one side to another side, we can make a bending is different. Now what is the positive bias characteristic and what is the negative bias, forward bias characteristic, and what is the reverse bias characteristic. Now if we consider a positive voltage battery, it is connected with a p-type material, and the negative region it is connected with the negative side of a battery, and this kinds of configuration it is known as a forward bias characteristic or forward bias diode. And in that case we have to connect one shunt resistance, and the one resistance with that it will be to a it is ultimately one kind of compliance of current. Because of that, if it is a huge number of current, then automatically a breakdown will occur, and that is the material will burn. So that's why it is a one kind of compliance of current. That's why we can make a resistance in a series mode, and p-n junction is current, and now it is structure corresponding to a forward bias condition. And what is the scenario in case of forward bias condition, and what is the corresponding mechanism? So let's consider this is the positive bias condition and forward bias condition. In that case, forward bias condition, the positive, when we apply some positive voltage is there, then these electrons try to drift from the positive end to negative end, as well as when some negative bias is applied to the negative region, in that scenario that these electrons try to move in that region. So ultimately these electron can cross, from negative region to go for the positive bias region. And the opposite scenario, same scenario, the holes is in the p-type region, and these holes will try to cross this barrier and try to reach to the negative side. That means where the negative voltage is applied, and due to this there is a crossover between the polarity of the charge carrier crossover, and due to this movement of this charge carrier there is a current flowing through the circuit ultimately, and this current is known as the forward bias current. So what will the corresponding the barrier and depletion region, then automatically effectively the depletion region will be much more narrower. Otherwise, in case of reverse bias condition, what is the reverse bias condition? In the exactly opposite scenario, p-type region will be connected to the negative side, and n-type region that will be connected to the positive side. With respect of this, these electron will move to the positive end, and these holes will move to the negative end. Ultimately, the depletion region, width of the depletion region will be much more high, and there is a very few number of electron will move to that region. So ultimately, and we will get a very small amount of current in reverse bias condition. But the thing is that when we apply the much more enough energy or voltage, or in that case or bias we are applying, then automatically this region, depletion region will break down. Because of that, the huge movement of minority carrier. Not it will be the main crucial role played by the majority carriers if it is the reverse breakdown characteristic. And now this is the depletion region scenario. We have already seen these things. Now, how they are connected. So this is a one kind of small example. So now this is the simple IV characteristic. So if you consider the IV characteristic of a PN junction diode, so in that case, you will see that when we apply some zero voltage up to 0.7, this is the scenario for the silicon case. In case of p-type material or n-type material, silicon characteristic if you consider, and if it is a forward bias condition, and in that case silicon based diode, you will see this kind of figuring. So when we apply the zero voltage corresponding to that, there is a small amount of current, this zero current is coming, and after a continuously increase of current, there is a no significant increase of current. After a threshold voltage or knee voltage near about the 0.7 volt, there is an abrupt increase of current. Okay, so this type of characteristic is known as the IV characteristic for the forward bias condition. So if we want to figure out by step by step, we will get this kind of slope corresponding to that. So ultimately, so knee voltage, what is the knee voltage? This is the one kind of threshold voltage from which there is an abrupt increase of current is going on in a forward bias condition. This is known as the forward bias characteristics. And now, if you consider this is the different for the different material, and slightly it has already clearly limited as the external bias or forward bias current continuous increase of the above the knee voltage, the forward voltage will also slightly above 0.07. In reality, the forward bias can be much more approximately 0.9 volt. It will depend on the current scenario, forward bias current scenario. Not only that, it will also depend some on the concentration of the carrier. It is also if you increase the concentration of carrier, then automatically you can tune the knee voltage. Okay, so if we go for the reverse bias characteristic, so in that case, that is the scenario. It is again you will find that one kind of knee. But the more important thing is that how much the applied voltage is go for cross the knee voltage in case of forward bias, it is much more higher in case of reverse bias. That means when we apply some the negative voltage on the p-type region, so in that case we will get that almost zero amount of current. After a certain threshold voltage, it will get an abruptly increase of this current, and this is known as the Zener breakdown, and that's why it will clearly visible. But a minimum value of 50 volt is not unusually practically. In some cases, it will much more beyond 50 volt. In some cases, it will less than 50 volt. Near about these things, more or less 20 or 30 voltage. If we apply on that case, you will get a one kind of Zener breakdown. So reverse breakdown voltage you will get. So you can consider in case of reverse bias characteristic, ultimately there is a movement of the abruptly movement of the minority carriers, and that's why there is a huge number of current in increase. But before that knee voltage, that is the breakdown voltage, and before that breakdown, there is a small amount of reverse current. When we apply a higher amount of reverse voltage instead of applying some amount of reverse voltage. So if we compile or compile these two figure, that means the forward bias characteristic as well as the reverse bias characteristic in a single mode. So then you can automatically get a complete IV characteristic curve. So this IV characteristic curve will looks like this. So this is the forward bias region, and that is the negative reverse bias region. So in case of forward bias region, it will be knee voltage to 0.7 volt barrier potential. It is much more high corresponding to that. And in case of the reverse breakdown, up to that, and this is a one kind of cutting voltage, and this is the one knee voltage you can consider for the reverse bias characteristics. Okay, so on the basis of that there is some kind of temperature effect is also there. So can you anyone can give a information? So if we increase the temperature, what will be the scenario in case of forward bias condition? Anyone can respond? Please unmute your mic and you can respond. Do you have any idea if we increase the temperature? So what will be the practical scenario? Forward bias current will increase or decrease? Huh?
Increase, sir.
It will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase, sir. Increase.
Increase होगा ना? Okay, good. अच्छा. क्यों increase होगा?
सर इंट्रिंसिक चार्ज कैरियर्स इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे इसलिए.
If it is a instead of semiconductor, if it is a metal, if you increase the temperature, what will be the scenario? Current will increase or
क्योंकि
decrease?
सर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का मूवमेंट बढ़ जाएगा सर.
इलेक्ट्रॉन का मूवमेंट बढ़ जाएगा because of the temperature increase of temperature ना? हाँ?
हाँ सर.
यही तो reason. What is the kinetic energy or what is the electrovolt energy of a room temperature electron? एक रूम टेम्परेचर में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितना होता है? Anyone have any idea? Are you familiar with the value 0.25 volt? Okay, so obviously for a forward bias, as the temperature increase, the forward bias currents also increase for a given value of forward bias voltage. Also for a given value of forward bias current, the forward voltage also decrease, and this is shown from the IV characteristic corresponding to that. And with respect of this figure, temperature figure, so ultimately this is the scenario. You can see this figure. The red one, that means the red one, it is the above room temperature, and the blue one, it is the room temperature. That means when we increase the current temperature, then automatically there is a shifting. Shifting means the in what sense shifting? The shifting is coming from the knee voltage. So ultimately that if we increase this temperature, then automatically the knee voltage is decreasing because of the concentration of electron. We have already given information regarding these things. But it is exactly opposite scenario in case of reverse bias characteristic, because in case of reverse bias characteristic, we also see that if we increase the voltage temperature, then automatically there is the increase of current with respect of this scenario. Okay, so diode का structure क्या होता है ये तुम्हें पता है ना? What is the symbol corresponding to that? You are also familiar with these things. So I am not going through that portion already. So, and what is the ideal model of a diode? In a practically ideal model, if it is a resistance, and this resistance is a ideal model, it is a one kind of switch. So we have already discussed in the last class also, and you have a basic idea about this thing switch from class 12. So this is ultimately BFSI is one kind of switch. It is current flowing to the forward bias region and reverse bias region. This is practically not current, but theoretically. But practically, if there is obviously a current, small amount of current, if it is a femtoampere, that will be also current. But the value is much lower. Okay, so this is the complete model of a diode. I am not going to that portion. So some numericals is there. I will also share with you. So this is the different kind of typical diode package with the terminal identification. So from that, the terminal identification, different kind of identification is there from the notch, and from this notch you can easily identify what is the p-type region, that means the n-type region. So testing of a diode. Do you have anyone can test? प्रैक्टिकल में तुम लोग किया था डायोड को टेस्टिंग? डायोड कैसे टेस्ट कर सकते हो?
नो सर, नो सर, नो
क्लास 12 हो नहीं तो यहाँ पे किसी ने कोई डायोड का भी टेस्ट किया?
नो सर.
हाँ,
No, sir.
नहीं सर.
Okay, fine.
No sir.
So, okay. So what is this? This is a digital multimeter. Na? So this in that digital multimeter there is a one of symbol is like this. This symbol, this is the diode symbol. So in that diode symbol, if you put this switch in that diode symbol mode, and if you make your digital multimeter is a diode symbol mode, and by this functioning these two common terminal, if we plug between the anode and cathode, anode means the positive and negative. This is known as the anode cathode. And if you connect it in that forward bias condition, you will get some amount of current. Okay. So if it is a reverse bias condition, we will get of a reverse bias condition that automatically if we apply some voltage, we will get some current, and this is the current scenario. Or if we apply some voltage, this is a open. So with respect of voltage you can apply, or with respect of current you can use these things. So that means in some cases it will show you a open circuit element, or in some cases it will make you a short circuit element. So from that you can find a diode like characteristics. Okay. Simply you can switch between these two. Now I'm not going to that question. These are the only objective type questions. Next question is the diode application. So there is a huge number of application. You are already familiar the half wave rectification, full wave rectification, power supply regulation, like these things. So first one is the half wave rectification. If we consider the half wave rectification, the bias of DC power supply, this is the bias condition in the half wave rectification. This is the scenario. So if we consider whether the slide is visible, yes, तुम लोग देख पा रहे हो क्या?
Yes,
सर
sir.
ऑडियो भी ऑडिबल है सर, और दिख भी रहा है सर आप बहुत फास्ट पढ़ा रहे हो सर.
हाँ ना, अभी मैंने वो जहाँ पे मैंने फास्ट चला रहा वो शायद जरूरत नहीं है, इसीलिए वहाँ पे फास्ट मैंने स्क्रॉल कर दिया. अभी जहाँ पे मैंने आ गया वो स्टॉप कर दिया स्क्रॉलिंग. तो ये प्रेजेंटेशन क्या देख पा रहे हो तुम लोग?
दिख रहा है सर.
ओके फाइन, थैंक यू. सो एक्चुअली वो जरूरत नहीं था, उसीलिए उसको मैंने तुरंत स्क्रॉल कर दिया. ठीक है. तो now see that in that figure this is the one kind of sinusoidal curve. So in that sinusoidal curve you can clearly see this is a one portion is the positive portion and negative portion is the negative half. Again there is a positive half or with respect of x-axis, and there is a negative half, positive half and negative half, like this thing is moving on. So it is a, suppose this is a one kind of example 100 volt applying with respect of frequency is the 60 hertz. Now if we apply a rectifier, that means if we apply a AC current is connected with a rectifier, means a PN junction diode, in that case we will find we will only get the positive half. There is no current corresponding to the negative half. Because of the negative half we will not get the mode is the reverse bias characteristic. So that's why reverse bias there is no current, and that's why you will get a zero current. Again for this positive half we will get a positive half portion. Again there is a zero current corresponding to the negative half. Again there is a positive half, and due to this positive half there is a positive hump on that portion. It will like this thing. That means this is the one kind of hump is continuously coming with respect of some amount of zero currents and for a few times. So ultimately it will makes a complete a full cycle is makes a converted to the half cycle. So ultimately when you are considering the half cycle, so in that case half cycle means half wave rectification. Because of that you are applying the AC current is a complete cycle, but your output getting a half cycle. That means that you are getting only the due to the positive half portion, but you are not converting the negative half portion. That's why it is known as the half rectifier. So now if you use a rectifier as well as filter, so in that case the regulator with respect of load you will get one kind of scenario like these things. So full wave rectifier like these things. That means the full wave rectifier means there is a positive half cycle, again there is a negative half cycle. So ultimately when it will filter, so in that case we will get the positive half portion as well as for the negative half portion. Now if we apply a complete power supply with a rectifier, a filter and a regulator, what is the need of these things? Filter means ultimately when you are converting a DC, so again this DC, when you please see these things, it will get the positive half portion. But in that positive half portion, this is not a flat, because of that. In case of DC volt, when we apply some voltage DC volt, suppose the example of a battery, if you use a battery, so battery is 1.5 volt, whether it is 9 volt, that means it is fixed. When you apply this voltage, it will give you a constant current, constant amount of current. So, but if you have filtering these things, instead of filtering, you will get only used by rectifier. In that case, you will get only the positive half portion. And due to this positive half portion, there is also a increasing from 0, and from 0 to it is increasing some amount of, say it is coming, the voltage is coming from 1, 2, 3, increased by maximum amplitude, goes on the maximum. Suppose that it is 5, again it will decrease, again 0, 0, 0, again it is 0, 1, 2, 3, like this way. So it is ultimately not a constant. So that's why you have to use a one kind of filter. So if you filter these things, so in that case you will convert this half portion of this sinusoidal wave into the regular mode or regulator mode. In the regulator, if you like, we will make a constant DC voltage. That means with respect of a x-axis, you will get that DC voltage is exactly parallel with your x-axis or 0 volt axis. So ultimately, it is completely parallel. With respect of that, if you connect a load, you will get a complete half wave rectification. Now, what will be the scenario? So if we make a complete circuit corresponding to that, the IV curve, sinusoidal curve, we will get only for the positive half portion, negative half portion it is not used, and due to this alternating current and the current diode characteristic going on, and the output scenario is looks like this. And this is the output scenario. And if it is 50 hertz, case of infinite cycle is like that. Now the average value of half wave output, then it will easily get the average value. What is the average value? Average value is the maximum. What is the peak value corresponding to? It is the peak value. It is go from the angle. If you consider the angle, this is the 0 degree. It is a completely half circle. Half circle means the 180 degree. So that means the you have to divide by pi. So automatically, if you divide by pi, the peak value, it will get a average value corresponding to that. Okay. So this is the what is the area corresponding to the average value, and you will get this value. Example, if there is some kind of numerical effective barrier potential for the cutting of this voltage. Now, what will be the scenario if we consider a full wave rectifier? Before going to that, the half wave rectifier with a transformer coupled input. Transformer, you have an example idea about the transformer, primary coil and secondary coil. It will also transmit from one sinusoidal to the second one, and if you apply a one diode in between a transformer, secondary transformer, will convert the half wave rectifier. So there is some numericals. Now we are coming to the full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier means when we are applying some 0 voltage to increasing voltage, and there is a negative voltage, that means say one kind of complete sinusoidal wave, a alternating voltage as an input voltage by full wave rectifier. With respect of this device, ultimately the what is the output voltage, we will get the positive half for the positive half portion, and as well as there is a negative half. Due to this negative half, again you will get a positive half. So ultimately we will not lose any portion of the alternating current. The alternating current having the two portion, there is a positive half portion as well as there is a negative half portion. So when we are using the full wave rectifier, that means in that case we will get the current corresponding or you will get the voltage corresponding to the positive half portion, as well as you will get the voltage corresponding to the negative half portion. Ultimately you are converting the completely negative bias region is completely converting to the positive half portion. So from that calculation, you can automatically 2p by pi 2 BP. What is the BP? BP is the peak value. So from that you will get the approximately or average value corresponding to that. What is the full value? This is one kind of scale. This is the primary coil, or with respect of primary coil, the current is going on, and due to this current, there is a induction, and due to this induction, the secondary current is going. terminal of the secondary coil. Another diode is defined as a D1 and a secondary diode is that defined by the D2.
So voice
You
lagging.
get that? Hello, bolo.
Sir, voice is not clear.
हाँ वॉइस
Sir, your
नहीं आ रहा है
सर वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है।
यस सर सर वॉइस
अभी आ रहा है
लैगिंग
sound?
कर रहा है
Oh, actually maybe due to the network issue. So actually
अभी आ रहा है।
university campus area the Geo network is very bad. So that's why especially in my in this zone. So I am getting very trouble due to these things also. So now sound is coming comparatively better.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
थोड़ा
So that means when the current for this positive half portion and due to this positive half portion the current flowing through that diode and due to this secondary coil and this the secondary coil the of this spinning of this direction of this coil and one current is moving in that direction and the secondary coil the second portion of the current there is opposite polarity. That means the switching, that is the negative portion is starting at the positive half portion. Ultimately the diode 2 is operating only for the negative half portion and diode 1 is only operating for the positive half portion. With respect of these two, you can automatically get a full wave rectifier. That means if you see this figure, the first half portion, due to this first half portion, you will get this V1 current corresponding to D1. And now due to this D2, there is a first one is a negative. That's why you will not get the current. And the second half portion due to there is a current, you will get the current. And automatically for the D1, that there is no current due to the negative half portion. So ultimately, when you are getting the final output, you will get a complete full wave rectification. That means the both sign positive half and negative half this sinusoidal wave is converted to a positive half portion. Okay, so this is another kind of scenario or figure diagram, and with respect of these things and why this is because of this grounding, and if it is virtually ground the primary secondary coil, so in that case automatically ultimately you are changing the direction of this current with respect of the coil movement or coil. So that's why it is a virtual grounding. So these are the some kind of positive half cycle conversion and negative half cycle conversion. In some cases, some people are converted the diode in opposite direction. So if you put a one direction is a converted to opposite direction, in that case also you can get a full wave rectifier. Okay, so these are the corresponding figures and peak value with respect of these things. So some kind of examples are there, some numericals is also here. So I will show you, share with these kinds of numerical later and regarding these things. So do you have this book for the particular of the semiconductor physics? तुम लोगों के पास बुक्स है?
नहीं सर
नहीं सर
तो तुम लोगों को क्या मैंने ऐसे जैसे पहले दिया था वो ऐसे बुक का पेज पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके देने से होगा?
यस सर सर हो जाएगा सर
ऐसे देने से तुम लोग देख पाओगे?
हाँ सर देख पाएंगे
फाइन.
यस सर होगा सर अच्छा होगा
यस सर
Okay, fine.
Sir, if possible, share any ebook, sir.
Sharing actually ebooks, there so many ebooks is there. So ultimately the portion it is the which one is specially for your syllabus. So if you it is find it, that is good. Or some actually most of the
PDF is fine.
I have the books on the foreign publishers and the foreigners authors. So that's why they are not making the Indian publishers. They are always following the AICTE syllabus and what is the corresponding syllabus of the Indian syllabus. So the problem is that right now what is the book I am sharing here? It is the written by the Floyd. So he is one of the pioneer. In case of you have already some of you maybe heard the name of the Floyd. That's electronics device circuit element. So I can also share this book with you. Okay. So earlier for this stage also, the latter there is a different book for the unit, rest of this unit. Okay. So since this is a basic fundamental, so that's why you can follow this book also. Capacitor input filter like this thing. These are the examples. So there is also a huge number of example of a diode. Or some not only for the full wave rectifier or half wave rectifier like these things. There is some another example is the reverse bias characteristic. The voltage regulator, as a voltage regulator you can use this diode. So and some other cases. Last day I am when I discussing in that time someone has written in the chat box as a LED. LED is a one kind of example or application of the diode, and some other sensors, so many sensors. In case of smoke detector. हाँ बोलो.
सर हम लोग का क्लास है इसी डिपार्टमेंट का 1 बजे से.
Okay, actually I am completing with now. अभी और 5 मिनट में मैं खत्म कर दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि नेक्स्ट में जब तुम लोगों का 4 बजे के आसपास नहीं तो उस टाइम में कुछ क्लास रहता है जिस टाइम में तुम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैक्सिमम तीनों डिपार्टमेंट का.
सर 4 बजे का सर टाइमिंग कोई फिक्स नहीं है सर. मैम लोग कभी भी क्लास ले लेते हैं.
तुम लोगों का फिजिबिलिटी के हिसाब से बोलो, मैं उसी हिसाब से ले पाऊंगा. तुम लोगों का जो फिजिबल टाइम होगा उसी हिसाब से मैं ले पाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे सपोज रूटीन में अभी 9 बजे का क्लास है. So if you are ready to prepare for the 9, then I can start from the 9 a.m. also.
रात में सर सही है.
सर आज के दिन वेडनेसडे और फ्राइडे को क्या बोलते हैं अपना रिंकू सर का क्लास होता है सर. ये 11 बजे से 12:30 बजे तक.
टाइम टेबल ही फॉलो करते हैं सर, सबके लिए अच्छा होगा.
हाँ सर.
टाइम टेबल ना.
हाँ सर.
ओके
ठीक है, तो उसी हिसाब से हम लोग
सर.
देखेंगे.
9 बजे से कर लीजिएगा बेटर होगा.
9 बजे में
सर रात में कर दो.
सर रात को सुबह 9 बजे सर.
एग्री वाले को टाइम टेबल नहीं मिला है सर.
हाँ वो मुझे पता है. एग्री वाले का टाइम टेबल अभी तक नहीं हुआ, तो इसीलिए तुम लोगों को मैंने उसी हिसाब से, तुम लोगों का गैप रहता है उसी हिसाब से मैं कर दूंगा. तो डायोड का जो let me say one example as a clamper. So clamp करने के लिए you want to use a diode as a clamping circuit. So clamper application is there, and some other application LED or sensor like these things. There is a application of these things, and some of the main application is coming from the reverse bias characteristics. Okay, so from that portion we can also discuss. Today I will share with all of you just a PDF regarding these books by highlighting which portion you have to discuss and which portion is much more important corresponding to your syllabus. Okay, तो उसी हिसाब से मैं तुम लोगों का जो ग्रुप है, जो CSC का जो ग्रुप है, तुम लोगों का इसी का जो ग्रुप है और एग्रीकल्चर का, मैं उसी ग्रुप में PDF के हिसाब से मैं तुम लोगों को शेयर कर दूंगा वो इन्फॉर्मेशन. और अभी क्लास में तुम लोगों के साथ प्रशांत शर्मा है. प्रशांत शर्मा इज देयर. Most probably he is from agriculture. Prashant Sharma, whether he is here?
Yes, sir.
Prashant Sharma.
Sir, Usha Sharma.
नहीं, उषा शर्मा नहीं. मुझे एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, मोस्ट ऑफ जो SBI से रिलेटेड जो था, ठीक है, तुम लोगों का रिफंड, सीसा रिफंड के लिए, तो मुझे जो अभी वो सब हो गया. अभी ओनली देयर इज a 5 number of student is left, and these names are B. Bunda, Prashant Sharma, Surendra T, Sunil Sharma, and Anurag Datta. Is it correct?
Yes sir, yes sir.
हाँ. तो एक्चुअली इसमें बाकी सबका ऑलरेडी प्रोसेस होने वाला था. उसमें नाम था प्रशांत शर्मा का. प्रशांत शर्मा का एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. उसका वो जो अकाउंट डिटेल शेयर किया वो है उसका उत्तर प्रदेश जिला बैंक ऐसा कुछ है, और आईएफएससी कोड दिया, वो आईसीआईसीआई बैंक का आईएफएससी कोड डाल के दे दिया। तो इसमें से थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। तो तुम लोगों का कोई दोस्त जब प्रशांत का कोई नंबर होने से उसको थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट करो, मुझे इस क्लास के बाद उसको थोड़ा फोन करके बोल दो मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए। एक्चुअली राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द बैंक, यूको बैंक, स्पेशली फॉर दिस refund purpose. So to talk with the manager, because earlier due to this COVID, most of the bank manager and bank staff are not there. So today they are coming. I have already contact with them. So they asked me to come to the bank. So regarding this refund, so I am just now going to the bank. So in between this, please, I am requesting all of you, please try to contact with Prashant Sharma and inform him regarding the refund, system refund. Okay.
ओके सर।
और बाकी मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली बाकी मुझे जितना तक पता है सबको मिल गया है, एक्सेप्ट ये पांचों को, तुम लोग 5 को नहीं मिला है। उसमें से प्रशांत का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इसलिए वो आज मैं यूको बैंक में जा रहा हूँ अभी। तो तुम लोग थोड़ा उसके साथ बात करके देख लो, मैं जब बैंक में जाने से ना मैं उसके साथ बात कर पाऊंगा। ठीक है?
ओके सर।
सर हम अपने एंड सेमेस्टर के मार्क्स कब तक
ओके
देख
सर।
पाएंगे?
हाँ,
अपने एंड सेमेस्टर के मार्क्स कब तक देख पाएंगे सेकंड सेम वाले?
ओ इस सेमेस्टर का तुम लोग मार्क्स देखना, मार्क्स सुनना है। मेरा मतलब जो पेपर मैं लिया था उस पेपर के लिए।
यस सर।
एनीवन इज इंटरेस्टेड?
यस सर।
मिड सेम का मार्क्स जानने के लिए तुम लोग कोई इंटरेस्टेड हो?
यस सर।
Yes.
यस सर।
ओके। कौन?
हाँ सर।
अच्छा ठीक है। तो मैं अभी प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ।
सर आर वी
start कर
प्रमोटेड
रहा
टू
हूँ।
सेमेस्टर 3?
हाँ,
सर हम लोगों को क्या प्रमोट कर दिया गया है थर्ड सेमेस्टर में?
ऑलरेडी तो प्रमोट हो गया, इसीलिए तो थर्ड सेमेस्टर का क्लास कर रहे हो। बट मार्क्स हैव नॉट बीन अपलोडेड। सो मार्क्स, क्योंकि जो यूजीसी का जो गाइडलाइन है उसमें से मार्क्स होगा तुम लोगों का मिड सेम का मार्क्स, इंटरनल का मार्क्स, एज वेल एज इन द प्रीवियस सेमेस्टर का मार्क्स। प्रीवियस सेमेस्टर का मार्क्स ये सब कंपाइल करने के बाद ही तुम लोगों का मार्क्स टोटल मार्कशीट में जो मार्क्स मिलेगा वो मार्कशीट में आएगा। तो इसीलिए मार्कशीट प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है। बट in between this, all of you, most probably all of you have been promoted unless until you have not failed in the mid semester. ऐसा कोई मुझे नहीं लगता मिड सेमेस्टर में इस बार फेल हुआ।
सर ग्रुप में डाल दीजिएगा सर, हर एक के ग्रुप में मार्क्स। अभी
तो
यहाँ पे
इसलिए तुम लोग कोरोना को भी शायद थैंक करना होगा। ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना मे बी ऑल ऑफ यू हैव पास्ड लाइक दिस वे।
यस सर।
कर देंगे सर। ओके, सो फार सो गुड। सो वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस स्टिल्स आल्सो। सो अब ग्रुप में देखो, ग्रुप में ऐसे मार्क्स नहीं शेयर कर सकता है बिकॉज़ ऑफ दीस आर द मार्क्स फाइल। ओके
सर यहाँ
so,
पे
मार्क्स तुम लोग जैसे कॉपी देखने के लिए आते हो ना क्लास में, तो उसी हिसाब से मैं अभी भी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ।
यस सर।
तुम लोग थोड़ा यहाँ पे देख लो रोल नंबर वाइज, उसके बाद तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा। हाँ
यस सर।
ओके। तो फर्स्ट मैंने स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ एग्रीकल्चर से। एग्रीकल्चर से मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।
Sir, will there be any credits for second sem, sir?
हाँ,
Will there be any credits for second sem, sir?
there is any समझा नहीं, sound is not coming clearly.
Credits, sir.
Can you take once again? Hello,
Will there be any credits for second sem?
Grace.
Yes, sir. Credits. CREDITS.
Grade marking. Can you write in the chat box? वो क्रेडिट वो तो उसी से मार्क्स फाइल में के हिसाब से वहां पे मिल जाएगा। नाउ आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग द एग्रीकल्चर मार्क्स फाइल। सो इज इट क्लियर?
यस
ये
सर।
विजिबल हो रहा है, तुम लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है?
यस सर।
दिखाई दे रहा है एग्रीकल्चर लोगों का मार्क्स फाइल? आई एम रिपीटिंग, आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द एग्रीकल्चर रोल नंबर 24। तुम लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है मैं जो प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ग्रुप
दिखाई दे रहा है।
ओके, तो
Yes,
मैं
sir.
फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, तुम लोग ये नोट कर सकते हो जिसका जो रोल नंबर है, रोल नंबर 24 28, रोल नंबर 25 28, रोल नंबर 26 27, रोल नंबर 27 27, रोल नंबर 28 28, रोल नंबर 29 23, roll number 30 29, roll number 31 16, roll number 32 28, roll number 33 27, roll number 35 27, roll number 36 29, roll number 37 27, roll number 38 27, roll number 39 27, roll number 40 27, roll number 41 29, roll number 45 29, roll number 28 roll number 40 46 27, roll number 47 28, next roll number 48 28, roll number 49 29, roll number 50 26, roll number 51 28, roll number 52 28, roll number 53 29, roll number 54 24, roll number 55 28, roll number 56 29, roll number 57 22, roll number 58 30, roll number 59 24, roll number 60 27, roll number 61 29, roll number 62 29, roll number 68 63 28, roll number 64 29, roll number 65 28, roll number 66 27, roll number 67 25, roll number 68 22, roll number 69 28, roll number 70 29, roll number 71 25, roll number 72 29, roll number 74 28, roll number 75 28. ठीक है?
यस सर।
सर
मैं अभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का बोल रहा हूँ। इसी कोई है यहाँ पे ना? वो लोग चला गया
है सर।
है सर,
इसी है।
सब लोग है सर।
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो तो इसी का मैं बोल रहा हूँ। रोल नंबर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रोल नंबर 27 27, सॉरी रोल नंबर 26 27, रोल नंबर 27 26, roll number 28 27, roll number 29 27, roll number 30 27, roll number 31 28, roll number 32 27, roll number 33 29, roll number 34 27, roll number 35 25, roll number 36 24, roll number 37 27, roll number 38 27, roll number 39 28, roll number 40 23, roll number 41 27, roll number 42 23, roll number 43 20, roll number 41 27, roll number 42 23, roll number 43 28, roll number 44 27, roll number 45 27, roll number 46 27, roll number 47 28, roll number 48 28, roll number 49 28, roll number 50 27. ठीक है? अभी कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस का है स्टूडेंट?
यस सर।
yes sir
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am starting from the roll number 46. Roll number 46 29. Roll number 47 27. Roll number 48 26. Roll number 49 28. Roll number 50 27. Roll number 51 28. Roll number 52 25. Roll number 53 27. Roll number 54 29. Roll number 55 55 28. Roll number 56 28. Roll number 57 28. Roll number 58 28, roll number 59 28, roll number 60 29, roll number 61 28, roll number 62 28, roll number 63 28, roll number 64 28, roll number 65 29. Now roll number 66 28, roll number 67 29, roll number 68 28, roll number 69 27, roll number 70 29, roll number 71 28, roll number 72 28, roll number 73 27, roll number 74 27, roll number 76 29, roll number 77 28, roll number 78 29, roll number 79 27, roll number 80 27, roll number 81 29, roll number 82 27, roll number 84, roll number 82 27, roll number 83 29, roll number 84 28, roll number 85 27, roll number 86 27, 87 26, 88 29, roll number 89 28, roll number 90, roll number 91, roll number 92, all are 28, roll number 93 25, roll number 95 94, roll number 96, all are 28, roll number 97 29. ठीक है?
थैंक यू सर।
Okay. So still anyone having in doubt, you can call me. I can
ठीक नहीं है
accordingly.
सर, बहुत ठीक है सर,
हाँ?
मस्त है। ठीक नहीं है
हाँ?
सर, बहुत ठीक है, बहुत ठीक है सर, अच्छा है।
समझा नहीं? यहाँ पे कौन लिखा जे सर यू विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ सेकंड सेम मार्क्स कैलकुलेटेड। ये मैं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मैं पॉसिबल नहीं है। यू कैन कांटेक्ट विद द सीओई केशोरी, एस केशोरी लिखा है सर। हाँ केसरी। तो it is I am not possible to explain from my end because it is made by the authority. So it will ultimately decided by the controller of examination. They will take the weightage of the mixed semester marks. They will take the weightage of the internal marks as well as they will take consideration the weightage of your previous semester. So as per the UGC guideline. So after that they will make a one guideline for all over the university. It is not only for the SOT. They will calculate all corresponding to the whole university. So that's why it will make it is a one kind of policy decision. I am not the concerned person to give you an explanation regarding the marks square calculation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the devolution from my side. Okay. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
So today we can now stop, and next day according to our class we will inform you accordingly.
Thank you
Okay.
sir।
हाँ?
सर है कि गए?
चलेगा
वही तो देखो
चलेगा तो।
गए।
हेलो गाइस, हेलो अंजलि, साला प्रीतम क्या कर
हेलो भाई लोग, चलो। अरे थोड़ा चलो।
आइए। ये कौन दिया बे? हमें अपना
जोदीप
हमारा चल रहा है।
कीर्तन देव,
हाँ बोल बोल।
अरे उसको लेना, हिराक को लेना।
हिराक नहीं, उसका क्लास है। अबे हाँ बे, मेरा भी तो क्लास है। शिट।
अबे छोड़ ना, क्या क्लास करेगा? बंक मार।
छटिया गए हो का? क्लास तो है, अटेंडेंस भी नहीं लेता। जल्दी जल्दी निकल बाहर। सूरत मत देखा। कौन है ज्योतिपुरा? लौड़ा। वो कोरोना। हाँ यही आइए।
ये नहीं संतन राशि
क्या चवनप्राश लगा रखे है रे? छी बे। ये कौन है इतना मोटा? क्या